Take a ride in the 2016 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: third row seat, backup camera, heated seats, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, traction control, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, cruise control. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.